students, relax, sit back and listen to our math class. This video is part 2 of our addition theorem of probability. Here the question is, we have to find the probability of not E and not F. What they have given is probability of E, probability of F and probability of E and F. That is probability of E and denotes intersection. So we know the value of probability of E, probability of F and probability of E intersection F, and we have to find the value of probability of not E and not F. So probability of not E means E complement and denotes intersection. Probability of not F means F complement. So this can be written as probability of E union F the whole bar. Okay, this is De Morgan's law. De Morgan's law. So to get clarity in this concept, kindly check our video on De Morgan's law for complementation and De Morgan's law for set difference. Now I will give you an idea about this. Let us assume this as a sample space. Yes, these are the events E, F. First find the E complement. E complement means except this E part. All other part you will shade. Next, F complement. F complement means except the F part, you will shade all other parts. Next, E complement, intersection F complement means the part which is common to both of these are this outermost one is the common to both the E and F. So this is E, this is E, this is F. This outermost one is the common to both of this. Am I right? So this is E complement intersection F complement, which is equal to E union F the whole complement, because if E union F means you will shade only E and F, but here E union F the whole complement. So except this E and F you will shade all other parts. So this E complement intersection F complement is equal to E union F the whole complement. So we have written this. Next step, we already know that probability of A complement equal to 1 minus probability of A. So this can be written as 1 minus probability of E union F. So we have to find the probability of E union F. Probability of E union F equal to, by addition theorem of probability, probability of E plus probability of F minus probability of E intersection F. So probability of E plus probability of F minus probability of E intersection F. So 1 minus probability of E is 1 by 4 plus probability of F is 1 by 2 minus E intersection F is 1 by 8. So what you will get? 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2 is 2 plus 4 by 8. 6 by 8. So 6 by 8 minus this 1 by 8, you will get 5 by 8. So 1 minus 5 by 8. So 1 minus 5 by 8 is, by taking LCM, 3 by 8. Final answer is probability of E complement intersection F complement is 3 by 8. This is what the final answer is. Here we should have the knowledge of De Morgan's law. Okay. To get an idea, I explain this with the help of an Venn diagram. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our channel for more videos related to both school and college maths. Thank you.